Assalamualaikum. We have created our advanced programming project, which was a NFT marketplace where user can buy sell NFT or participate in auction. Starting from its database, we have 5 tables: bids, categories, NFTs, transaction, and users. In bid section, we have all the bid related data like current bid, highest bid, etc. Bid by which user. And in categories, we have category name, category description. NFT includes the NFT ID, NFT name, description, image path, image data. In transaction, we have transaction ID, transaction by which user, etc. And in user, we have username, email, password, in short, user related data. Here I was trying to create its setup.exe so it can be run on any machine. I will include it also in project if it is created successfully. In the assets, we have 3 test images which I use for testing. Then in forms, we have several forms like all activity form that will track all the activities of a user. Change password will allow user to change its password. Edit profile will allow user to edit his her profile. Loading form will allow user to will show user a loader, then it will navigate to dashboard. We have login form, main dashboard, and place bid registration. Splash will only appear once when starting an application. Then update price form. Then in helper class, we have DB helper, image helper, navigation helper, our session manager that will manage session of a user, and UI UX helper that contains all the UI UX related attributes and methods. In user control, we have some user controls. Now starting our application, here is the splash screen, then a login form and a registration form. We will get back to registration form. First we will log in with our test account. Here is the main dashboard. In the main dashboard, we can see users balance, owned NFT, active bids, and total spent by the user. Here we can see the recent activities like placed bid on this one, created his own NFT sale, this NFT is sold of this user, then a user logged in system, and trending NFTs which are dynamically changed. In the browse section, we can see several NFTs by admin which I inserted in database through query. Then by this user, same user, our one member. This is by our second member Avish, and all other are test NFTs. Then in the my NFT section, we can see the NFTs owned by this user. These 3 NFTs are listed by this user. Sold list and sold NFTs. This NFT of this user is sold. In the bid history, we can see the bid of this user, placed bid 150 on this NFT at this time and date. In the listed NFT, we can list NFTs from here, like I will list an NFT, for example this one. Its price in Ethereum and its category. Then we can select image and list this NFT. Now it will appear in browse NFT, refresh here, and as well as my NFT. here. Now in the profile section, we can change password or edit profile like username or email address, and we can see users last login, total bits, email, account balance, and recent activities like create, login, sale, create, bid. Now we will use another test user. I will create my own login. Here we have a password strengthener as well. Let me restart. I accidentally closed application. Here I will log in with the new account. Once password credentials are matched, here we are logged in as a new user. Initially each user is given 1000, but we can increase our balance from here list up to 1000 or even more by here. Now this is also tracked in recent activities that this user added from 5000. In the browse NFT, if we purchase bid of this user, we buy it for 50 Ethereums or $50. It's gone from here because it is marked as sold in database. Here if we refresh, here only appears the NFTs data listed by the user, not data owned by the user. Here NFTs data sold successfully. Here we have the bid history. For now it is empty, so we will place a bid here for $500, for example. 500. Now if we go to bid history, refresh, here is the bid amount. I put time and date and my status winning because I have the highest bid for now. We can see all the recent activity here as well, and on the dashboard if we refresh dashboard, here we can see that I purchased this NFT for $50 and placed a bid for 500. Also the balance is updated here and here as well. Once we log out and log back in with the other account, then in my NFTs and sold NFTs we can see that these two NFTs are marked as sold. This one which I bought recently. This was our old project. Its code will be uploaded on my GitHub profile. I will create a repository here and upload it here for now. Thank you.